Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. So I've got a set of trays here. They're sunglasses, eyeglass holder trays. I'll leave the link to this set. It comes in a set for you in the description below. You can pick these up in my Amazon store. I'm going to be using this and it's a very easy mold to use. I'm also going to be using some metallic alcohol ink from Cute Resin. Now I've never used alcohol ink. I rarely use it, so I'm not that great at it, at the techniques and different things. But I wanted to try these because they're metallic, and I'm going to be using these a lot more just to get a better feel. Because I don't think that what I did today in this video really made the alcohol inks shine, or I don't know. I could have done a better job, and that was just me. Because like I said, I've never used it before. But these are the colors I'm going to be using. And I will leave the link to these in the description below as well. I'm also going to be using some holographic glitter. And what I'm going to be doing with that is I'm just going to go around the perimeter of each of the little trays. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour my resin and then go ahead and work with this alcohol ink. So as I was doing this, I was thinking that I wanted to just, because when I was putting on the holographic glitter, I was seeing how pretty and holographic it is. And I was thinking maybe I should have just did the whole mold in just the holographic glitter without using any of the alcohol ink. But that's going to be for my next project. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see how the next set turns out, which I'm sure it's going to turn out a lot better than these. Not that this turned out bad, it's just that it could be better in my eyes with the alcohol ink. So I'm going to use these molds again in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just basically just dripping them in, just dropping the little droplets in of the alcohol ink. I don't really have a technique that I'm doing. Just dropping them in the resin, and then just adding other colors on top, and then I'm going to swirl it around. This one here, the black one that I'm doing right now, this is the one that I really didn't like how it turned out, because it just, I don't know, I just didn't like it too much. But I did love the silver holographic glitter that I put around the base. And that's the reason why I decided I'm going to go ahead and redo this video again with these two. Well, not redo the video, but, you know, just try these molds again using just holographic glitter. And over here to the side, I have a square coaster mold. I just poured the extra resin that I had into that. So that's just me using the rest of my resin in a nearby mold so it doesn't go to waste. That's a tip for you. Keep an extra mold on the side in case you make too much resin. You can pour it into that and you won't waste your resin. Okay, so it's been a little bit more than a day, and now it's time to demold these. And look at that holographic silver. That's, see, now I wish I had just did the whole thing with the holographic silver, and I will do that in an upcoming video very, very, very soon. But you see, I don't like how I swirled around that black alcohol ink. It was black alcohol ink and black silver, and I think just silver. And I don't know, I just didn't like how it turned out. But I definitely love the holographic silver. So, but it's okay, because I'm just going to keep this on my nightstand for my reading glasses. And then the gold one will probably just sit on my dresser with my sunglasses. But I'm fumbling around with this because I'm thinking at this moment when I was doing this video, what could I do just to make it look a little cuter, even though I'm keeping it for myself. And I decided that I was going to put some holographic stickers in there. I'm not even going to coat it with resin because, like I said, I'm just going to keep it on my nightstand. So the gold one turned out the design better, but I would have liked to have put a thin layer on the back of maybe black to bring that gold out on the base so it wouldn't be so translucent. But this is still a good look, so I don't mind that either. I'm having it just alcohol ink, and you can still see through it a little bit, which is fine. So this one turned out better than the black alcohol ink that I use, and I think that they're both really, really cute molds, cute trays in the end. There's so many different designs you can do with this set of molds. I really do love it. So let me know what you think about these molds, if you're going to try it out. And don't forget, the link will be in the description for you, as well as the alcohol ink and the holographic glitter. But these are really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the stickers I'm going to put on. Okay, so here are the stickers. Aren't they adorable? The little holographic mushroom stickers. I got these stickers from Temu.com. I had a haul video where I showed you guys this, and I'll go ahead and link that. But I used these holographic stickers, some other ones, in another video. So I'm going to see if I can find that video and post that too, because you can use these in resin as well, and they turn out so pretty. I love using holographic stickers in my resin work. So, but there it is, and I think it's still cute. It made it cuter with the stickers, I believe. Look at that. That is really, 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 really cute. And you know, if I was to sell this, if I was to make this exactly like this for someone else, I would seal the stickers with another thin coat of resin. But since it's, like I said, it's just going on my nightstand, I'm just going to just leave it as is. But I do love these trays, these eyeglass tray holders. I think they are absolutely adorable. So let me know what you think, again, like I said, in the comments below, how it turned out. And I want to thank you guys for being here and watching my video. I really appreciate it. And, well, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.